Located in the quaint town of Castellane, France, lies a unique collection of several hundred Citroën automobiles. Welcome to Double Clutch, the house of classics.
Here is one of the 1365 DS Cabriolet. The Cabriolet was produced from 1961 to 1971. During 10 years, you could buy it through the Citroën catalog. After 71, it was not possible to buy it through the dealer, the Citroën dealer. So you had to contact directly Henri Chaperon, who was the bodybuilder of this car, because Citroën didn't want to make this car itself. It was too complicated for so few cars. So they decided to give the job to Henri Chaperon, who was in Levallois-Perret, beside Paris. So quite easy to deliver bodies. And he assembled the car completely. He was a specialist about leather, upholstery, and body. So these 1365 cars are quite difficult to find today because they are rare and unoriginal most of the time. People restore with other chassis. But this one, of course, is a real one, real Cabrio, with its own original chassis. This car was sold in 1972, so the owner of this car ordered the car directly to Henri Chaperon in 1972. It was not possible to do it through the Citroën dealers. What is special with this car is not only the color, but the upholstery, the minibar inside, the glasses are tinted and electrical, the roof is electrical, and this is an injection, DS21 injection that was quite new at that time, and it was a Bosch system, German system, working very well. The car still works like the first day today because I restored it technically, and condition is quite good. So that's very special car. Only 4 DS21 injections were produced in Dropette Coupe and 4 DS23 injections after the catalog that stopped in 1971. Very special car.
To look at another unique Citroën, let's go talk to Jeff Lane, the owner of the Lane Motor Museum, located in Nashville, Tennessee.
This is a 1959 Citroën ID19. Now this car was way ahead of its time because the car that was made before this was a Citroën Traction Avant, which was kind of a stodgy, typical looking boxy car. This car came out in the 1955 Paris Auto Show, and it created a sensation because as you can see, it's a very streamlined, beautiful car. But also technologically, it was a leap in advance, way ahead of anything else of its time. It had hydropneumatic suspension, which means it has a hydraulic pump and it has struts on each wheel. When you start the car up, the car raises up. You had different ride heights. There were basically 3 different ride heights. There was a low ride height for if you were on an interstate, very smooth road. That was the most aerodynamic. You had a middle ride height for maybe roads that weren't quite so smooth. And then you had a high ride height that was really 6 inches higher than the normal ride height, where if you were on a driveway or trying to go across a stream or something like that, that would make that possible. Now this car also does not have a jack. And so the way you change the tire is you run the ride height selector all the way up. You put a rod in the side that you want the flat tires on, and then you run the ride height all the way down, and one side of the car is off the ground. It also is front-wheel drive and front engine. This car was so successful that Citroën did not do another newly designed, fully new car until 1975, 20 years after this car came out.
Thanks so much for watching this week's Classic Car episode. We'll see you again for next week's episode. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more classic car stories, and come back to check out our restoration segments every Thursday here on Double Clutch.